Now, before we do anything special, I want to show you that HTML is very simple to code. We don't need to install anything complex. We could even simply use Notepad. Yes, we can use Notepad. To use Notepad, what I will do is to first create a folder. Now, I am using a Windows system, and this will also apply on a Mac system. Though the lesson for a Mac system is a different lesson, I will treat that later. So I have a folder here called my code. It is empty, of course. We can go to Notepad and we have our code. For now, you don't need to understand what this code does. I will save the file as first.html and the type as all files. Don't save it as txt. Save it as all files, and the file name, add the extension .html. This is to tell the system that this is an HTML file. Now we can save it. So we go into our folder, and here is our file called first. We can open it with different browsers. We have Microsoft Edge, we have Google Chrome. So whichever one you want. You have a text, my heading, and another text. This is easy. So this is a web page. We just created a web page. Very easy, very straightforward. This was to demonstrate that you do not need any complex installation to start coding. Though in our lesson, we are not going to use Notepad.